Welcome back. Today we're going to be reviewing a relatively new offering from the fine folks over at Opinel, their Neo 6 Everyday Carry Folding Knife with Opaflex. Thanks to Opinel for sending this over for review. Opaflex is Opinel's new slip joint-esque locking technology, whereas in the past you would commonly find a locking ring. While the number 8 is their most iconic model, dating back all the way to 1890, not much has changed since their inception, so with the addition of this Neo model, it's awesome to hear. I've had this carbon number 6 for 4 years, and as you can tell, it gets used. Opinel folders to me are a great and incredibly affordable gentleman's carry. Not only are they great for EDC, they make a lovely addition to any desktop to be a letter opener that can easily help with opening packages, breaking down boxes, and most of the other tasks you'll be able to throw at it on a daily basis. All this without shocking anyone when it makes an appearance compared to something that looks more tactical. The other use I found, and where I think the Neo 6 will shine, is for outdoor concert venues that allow you to bring in snacks, but more on that in just a bit. There are a few versions available ranging in price from $30 to $70. Currently, this olive variant is on sale for $35 via Amazon or direct from Opinel for $40, and as always, I'll have links to purchase in the description below. The Neo 6 boasts a weight of only 0.88 ounces with a blade length of 2.75 inches and an overall length of 6.5 inches. While doing research for this video, I was reading the reviews on Opinel's site, and the overall sentiment I got was everyone was mostly pleased, but a few people were upset with the exposed hinge pin, the rounded tip, and the leather lanyard. I can't speak to the hinge pin, but I believe the rounded tip, along with its size, is to have a greater mass appeal worldwide. This to me is supported by all the different languages that they have on the product packaging. While I couldn't find any specific restrictions or laws, I do see that in places like the UK, there's a push to make all knives, including kitchen knives, with a rounded edge. As far as the lanyard, I too found it kind of useless to have included, and it seems like it'll only serve to get in the way. That said, I did start searching, to no avail, for a cheese wedge paracord bead as I plan on putting some micro cord and the aforementioned bead on it. I want to go with a cheese bead as I'm playing into the use case I mentioned earlier for it to be brought with when headed to an outdoor concert at the local venue, Ravinia. So if you have an outdoor music venue that allows picnics, I think this is a great addition to your kit. Leave a comment below if you want me to make a video with some of my tips and tricks for things to carry to make those outdoor shows more enjoyable. All this brings us back to the ultimate question. Would I buy Opinel's Neo 6 folding knife again? Yes, if. Yes, if you don't already own a different model of an Opinel. Yes, if you're looking for a first folder as a gift for someone who's a little younger. Yes, if you're trying to put together a great compact picnic kit. Yes, if you live in a country that has strict knife laws and you need a non-locking EDC folder. Yes, if you're looking for an inexpensive gentleman's carry folder. Thank you to Opinel for sending this over for review, and thank you for watching.